Baby Imbonayada. Baby talk. Words parents may say if they are showing them something or it's something that they talk about often.
Waga bisi, milk. Falasco, bottle. Siskida, cup. Ichki, mom. Ithki, dad. Bosi, grandma. Boja, grandpa. Bosi, Ibosi, aunt, dad's sister. Ichkoji, aunt, mom's sister. Ithkoji, uncle, dad's brother. Bawa, Ibawa, uncle, mom's brother. Boko, ball. Sakobanga, toy. Bosi, cat. Ifa, dog.
Adogida, snuggle or cuddle.
Again, hadam. More, hadak or hadam.
Phrases they may say relating to time or coming and going.
Ahonijida uthiptos. Time to get up. Nujida uthiptos. Time to go to sleep or it's nap time. Hombida uthiptos. It's feeding time. Abia geese, you, baby, and another. Ahoya geese, you and baby. For here we go or let's go. Jinutskilidi, are you sleepy? Jilawidi, are you hungry? Dakhaga, Jimidi bushi jahane dos. Let's change your diaper. Dakhaga, ahulwali jitja. Dakhaga, luchbidi, do you have a dirty diaper? Is your diaper wet? Akubanida jiaja, do you want to play? Akubana geese, let's play. Adis, come here. Ithki, Ichki, Uhayas, go to daddy, go to mommy.
Affirmations to the baby.
Iji no gita dos, we love you. Iji no gita dos, Iji no gita dos, I love you.
Chichki, office, your mama is here. Chithki, office, your daddy is here.
Chihi tosi dos chi, you're so cute. Chiyikchi dos chi, you're so strong. Chi chafikni dos chi, you're so healthy. Machi, good job.
Ithi mi jitjis. You did it. Ischina jafatski dos. I'm proud of you. Chihaladida chayajis. Chisida chayajis. I want to hold you.
Other phrases.
Chiza hanaya. Chis hoyahin. Chiaja. Do you want to be held? Hama chihijez. Peekaboo, I see you. Chimakobunga, stunlega. Where is your toy? Chimishtoidi, what's wrong? Chimistongo, are you okay? Chimaneche, no, let me help you. Anechka chiaja, Do you need help? Hadam chiaja. Do you want more? Madat chijula. Chijuliptos. You're getting big, you're growing up. Hiya chimonagojidos. This is your story.